Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, kids of all ages, welcome back to my shop. Y'all saw that last video. I'm no more worse for wear. It did hit me though, hit me right in the forehead. So anyway, it didn't hurt anything important. So this is going to be an update on both the switch, both the bicycle, and that's going to be it. It's an update because we got a new puppy in, 4 weeks old, feeding it with a bottle. Okay, anybody that's had to feed a puppy by the bottle and what have you, but it's another long-haired dachshund like Frank. Got him his sister. She's going to be just gorgeous, just like him. But other than that, we've got some new stuff here, so we're gonna get to it right now. The switch I'm working on is this one right here. Excuse me, please. And by the way, thank you all for joining me too very much, and thank you for you subscribers. You guys are great. Okay, totally. So this is what we got right here. Okay, we got those two brass bars going through there, super glued in there. Let me go ahead and state that these are stick under the surface here. Before anybody says, well, the magnet could still hit them right here, it can't. So the magnet's going to go here. Another piece of, and I want to say this is nylon. Just pretty sure what it is. So now the magnet to do this, what we're doing right here, is going to be stronger than this. These magnets were used for the contact. So as the magnet rolls around, it's going to make contact. Can you all see that? I hope. It's going to make contact, and whenever it rolls back around here, it's not, let me see if it's going to stay there. Okay. It's not going to make contact. Okay. But this magnet that I'm going to put in here for this, which is going to have a piece on it. Now this is going to have the handle on it, and it's going to be sealed completely. No water getting in or out. These are super glued in. I'm actually going to solder wires right into these and shrink tube them. And then I'm gonna throw a couple drops of oil in here. Probably a vegetable oil, not actually a mineral oil. I got some soybean oil. I'll probably put that in there. So when it does make contact, see, now that's repulsing away. Okay. I know they hit somewhere on the table here. Oh, right up under there. Got them. The magnet I'm going to get for the outer one is going to be considerably stronger. So, and like I said, it's off right now. And as we turn it, it's going to lock in to those contacts. The only reason the oil is going to be there, and the only reason a stronger magnet is, it might arc. Once it does arc, and I'm going to test amps on it and everything else, and once it does arc, the oil will be there, and the magnet will be strong enough to pull it off of there. And then this will be in a totally waterproof. So all you'll have is a handle, off and on, that's it. So we'll see how it goes. That came out that's coming out pretty good. So another thing, we got these cheesy Chinesium throttle in that it came in broke. I actually had to fix it, but it is red, it is cool, and so we're going to do a little test on it right now. We're feeding 5 volts into the red and black wire, and then on the meter we got the negative and then the positive to the meter. We're showing 0.81 volts, and as we throttle up we go to a full 4.146 volts. So the throttle seems to be working pretty quick, so that's cool. That's done. We got that done. And we also have these right here, which will go on the, and oh yeah, by the way, I have my 20S BMS here. It finally came in, 45 amp. I see no reason why I should go more than 45 amp, but if it shuts down, I will just use it for charge only, like the other one. So that's it on that. But this will be for the 3-wire hookup for the rear wheel. We got MT60 connectors. They can be bought on eBay for $2–3 a piece. I bought one. That's how we'll be connecting our 3 hot motor wires to a nice connection on the bike. So we got that to do, and we got some other stuff to do. This was just an update. This is for the throttle, if you remember. This is for the Hall effects wires on the rear wheel, and this will be the connector for that. So literally, and oh yeah, by the way, this is the I haven't only got one side soldered in. This is the battery connection, and this is a 8mm RC connector. So they've got something to hook the battery to. So that's it for right now, guys. We got a lot going on. We got a new puppy and stuff like that, and we have some issues with our other dog, and no big deal, but a big deal, and I'm not going to mention any names. I don't want to do that, but it's a grooming salon, national grooming salon, so that's all I'm going to say. And other than that, please hit like and subscribe. I love all y'all to death, and you know, more to come. We just had a really bad week this week at work. It was like 12-hour days and 100 degrees, so I didn't have much energy when I got home. So, but the switch is coming along. I think this switch is going to work, even though I did get hit in the head, but I didn't hurt anything. I think that's going to work just fine. So I need to read up on how to bond the two. It might be thermally, and it could be there could be a chemical bonding agent like super glue or something like that. So just got to check up on that. All right, guys, y'all have a good day. Y'all have a good weekend. You have a good week. See you next weekend. Bye.